Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the same account is added to each device and enabling a map or an Exchange profile, because a map keeps folders and read/unread consistent. Once done, make sure device clocks and operating system updates are current to avoid sync token conflicts. You should also check that two-factor authentication is set up and app passwords are created if required. Now open your primary email client and verify the account type. If it's set to POP, change it to a map or re-add as Exchange for full sync. Next, you configure each client's folder subscriptions and sync frequency so the same folders appear on every device. Push is best for instant updates, otherwise pick a short interval. Make sure you select how much mail to keep locally, 1 month versus all, so storage matches your needs. Once configured, enable server-side rules and labels in the webmail settings so actions like archiving, moving, or flagging occur on the server and propagate everywhere. This avoids client-only rules that break cross-device consistency. To finish, run tests. Read, delete, move, and send messages from each device and confirm changes show up everywhere. If something fails, make sure a map path prefix is correct, ports and security match, IMAP 993 with SSL, SMTP 465/587 with TLS, and any app-specific password is in use. Once you've tried those fixes, remove and re-add the account or clear the client cache to force a full resync. If syncing still fails, try the web client to isolate server versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.